Hey friends, if you wish to set live wallpapers and animated desktop backgrounds in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's what you need to know. There is no such feature in Windows, but you can do it through third-party applications. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now, search for live wallpapers, live wallpaper, and hit enter. Then go to any app like this Lively Wallpaper one. It has a pretty good rating. Click on Get and wait till it is installed. I will wait till then. Click on Open once it is installed. Okay, now it's here. You can select a live wallpaper like this one. Oh wow, this is amazing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.